This lab is designed to help students understand how they can measure voltage and frequency using a multimeter or an oscilloscope when testing an AC power supply. When the program opens up, they will have a RadioShack power pack with a randomly generated output voltage. They can plug the power pack in and then hook it to either the multimeter or to the oscilloscope. To get their readings, they just scroll down and it will show the oscilloscope display. In this case, we need to adjust the voltage per division setting, and we need to adjust our frequency setting, our times per division. We can move the signal to get more accurate readings, and we could also move it vertically. Students should be able to get the period, the peak-to-peak voltage, the amplitude of the signal, and they should know how to calculate the root mean squared of that signal. When hooked to the multimeter, they can measure volts AC or they can measure frequency. When students are done testing the power pack, they can switch over to a function generator. And with the function generator, they can adjust the frequency. Okay? They could adjust the amplitude. They can test it again with the multimeter, or they could test it with the oscilloscope. I hope this gives you an idea on how you can use this to get students familiar with these two tools before having them use them in the actual lab.